This is unprofessional and I will not tolerate character assassination. اور اینڈ میں جب میں نے اپنا فرسٹریشن میں ایکسپریس کر دیا, انسٹیڈ آف بینگ اپولوجیٹک, یہ دونوں میرے سر پہ حاوی ہو گئے. I don't even know how I'm going back. I'll probably have to buy my own ticket and will have to go back on my own. So یہ سینیریو ہے because he said, احسان سر said, نہیں کرنا کام بھاڑ میں جاؤ. And I'm just in a lot of stress, and میرا مقصد یہ شیئر کرنے کا صرف اس لیے ہے, if there's any woman out there who's worked with such people and if they like to come out about these people, please do. And اگر آپ نے کبھی ان کے ساتھ کام نہیں کیا, please, this is a warning to you guys, do not work with this team. I am in a lot of stress. I had to deal with enough harassment on this trip, and I just don't want anybody else to go through what I went through. And ابھی میں نے احسان سر کا پاسپورٹ لے لیا,